going to be teaching you on how to unlink or unbind your Google account from your Bybit. So guys, that was much of a time. Let's simply dive right into the video. So right here is the home page on my Bybit app. In order for you to unbind your Google Authenticator from your Bybit, you need to click on the profile icon found at the top left corner of your screen. So when you click on that, just like this, click on the settings icon found at the top right corner, just like this. So you need to scroll gently and click on security. So looking here, you can see that my security level is high. Now you need to do right here, looking here, you can see where it says Google two-factor authenticator. You need to click on that in order to turn it off. So when you click on that to turn it off, this is what you're going to see. They're going to ask you if you really want to unbind your Google account. So you need to click on the confirm button, and they're going to ask you to input your login password and Google Authenticator code in order to be sure that you are the one that wants to actually unlink it, because this has to do with your security on Bybit. So right here, I'm going to input my login password. And I'm going to go to my Google Authenticator. Now if I go to my Google Authenticator, the screen is going to actually turn blank. So I'm going to copy the code for my Bybit and paste it right here. Click on confirm. So looking at it, says unbind successful. Now right here, you need to input your password once more and log into the app. You need to solve this puzzle. So this is it. If you go back to your profile found at the top left corner of your screen and click on the setting icon found at the top right corner, just like this, clicking on security, you're going to see that you've been able to turn off your two-factor authenticator right here. So this is how simple it is to unbind or unlink your Google Authenticator from your Bybit account. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching.